Okay, students, welcome everyone in the third virtual class of mathematics. Today we are going to learn some logical questions here, in which we use our logics and thinking skills to solve these questions, like missing numbers and all of the maths puzzles that we can do. And other also some other questions as well. Okay, now here we have a number pattern given here that we have to solve. Alright, you all can see that we have three boxes, right? And all of the three boxes, each box is divided into three parts, right? In each part you can see the number written over it. Alright, in the first one we have 14, 11, 22. In the second one we have 12, 10 and 20. In the third one we have only one number, 20, in the left box, left, the top one, right? And the two boxes are, you can see they are blank and having question mark on it, so we have to find out those two numbers. Okay, now you all can see in the first box we have in the second box there are three numbers, and all of these two boxes we can use to find out the logic that through which we can find out the missing numbers in the third box. All right, now here you can see that in the position of the number in the third box, that is 20 in the top corner, is given over here, right? Now this number is suggesting us that we have to find the relation between these numbers based on the top left corner. Okay, so here in the first one we have, in the top left corner we have 14. We have to find out the relation between 14 and the rest two numbers, 22 and 11. What relation is there between 14 and 22 and 14 and 11, or maybe 22 and 11? In all of these three numbers there is some relation, like we can add them. What we are doing, we are adding them, we are multiplying them, we are dividing, or we are subtracting, right? Or we can just double it to find out the number. What logic is there, right? Now see, 20 is there, okay. Now over here, if we start from the first box, we have 14 here, right? We have to find out that how does this 14 reach the next number 11, right? If you are going to subtract 3 from it, you will get 11, right? And then if you go, how you are reaching 22 is, you are adding 14 and 8, you are getting 22, right? So see again that what relation is between 14 and 11. We are subtracting 3 from 14, we are getting 11. And what relation is there between 14 and 22? We are adding 8 to it and we are getting 22. Okay, now see that in the second box also we will follow the same logic to find out if our logic is correct or not. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, and if you see there in the right box we have 10. So this logic is not correct, it's wrong, it's not giving us the right answer, so we cannot subtract 3 from it. Now we'll follow the bottom number. For the bottom number, if you add 8 to it, you're getting 20. So this is correct, right? This logic is verifying the situation. 14 plus 8 is 22 and 12 plus 8 is 20. But now we have to find out the logic for the top numbers, so we are going to remove it and find out what we are doing. I think so that what actually how we are getting 11 is 22. Half of 22 is, you can see, 11, and half of 20 is, you can see, 10. So that means you are dividing the bottom number by 2. If you divide 22 by 2, you will get 11, and if you are going to divide 20 by 2, you are getting 10, right? So what actually we are doing, first we are adding the adding 8 to it and to get the bottom number, and when dividing it by 2, so get the top right number. All right, for the third box also you are now going to follow the same logic. The 12 plus 8 is 28, and 28 you're going to divide by 2, so you will get 14. So this proves our logic, and all of the three first, if the logic is going to be proved in the first two boxes, that means you are going to get the correct answer for the third box as well. So here we have got 28, and following the same logic you are getting 14 here. Okay, so you are going to have different number patterns, you're going to have different puzzles. It's not necessary that you are going to follow the same logic in every single puzzle, every single logic. It can have a different logic as well. All right,